Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137. Or you can continue to email us at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. So Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The old telephone numbers are no longer our numbers. The new telephone number is 857-7137, and our email address is Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. You can have classes with us. You can either have class over the telephone or in person. To have class over the telephone, you would call us in WhatsApp. So call us in WhatsApp, give us a WhatsApp call to have class over the telephone. Class may be from half an hour or longer. Classes by telephone can be reading, PEP, or any grade of primary or prep school. So reading for adults, teenagers, or children. So you can have reading for adults, teenagers, or children by telephone classes. Or you can have PEP classes or classes for any grade of primary or prep school. Classes for telephone classes cost $2,000 per month. That's $2,000 per month. So telephone classes cost $2,000 per month, and you can pay for it at our Jamaica National account. Or you can have class in person. To have class in person, we can either go to your location or you can come to us in Portmore. To go to your location, it would cost $2,000 per class. That's $2,000 per class. Anywhere in Jamaica, anywhere in the island. Pay for it by our Jamaica National Bank account number. Or to have class with us, you would have class in Portmore on a Saturday. Classes last for 3 hours, either from 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. That class as in other persons. So to have class with us, you will come to us in Portmore on a Saturday from either between 10 to 1 or 1 to 4. And the class costs $1,000 per class. $1,000 per class. You are also encouraged to purchase my set of 50 GSAT past papers and practice tests with answers for only $4,000. That's only $4,000. You will receive the test by email. Pay Pay for it at any branch island-wide of Jamaica National Bank, account number 0011114402. That's account number 0011114402. Halfway Tree Branch, account holder's name Richard Sharp. Send me take take a photograph of your receipt and send it to me through WhatsApp as proof of your payment. You will see the test the day after you pay for them. Email me from the email address that you would like to get the test to. So email me at Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com from the email address that you would like to get the test sent to, and I will email the test to that email address. So remember that that Techno Teacher JA has a new telephone number. The new telephone number is 857-7137, And our email address remains as Jamaica Island Wide Link at yahoo.com. Hi again. Welcome to another in the PEP Mathematics Summer Series compiled by Techno-Teacher JA. This is question number 85 out of 150 questions. This question asks, how many times can you get 0.2 from 20? The choices are A. 10, B. 100, C. 200, D. 40. Again, the question and choices are, how many times can you get 0.2 from 20? The choices are A. 10, B. 100, C. 200, D. 40. Do you know how to divide decimals? I will give you about 1 minute to come up with your answer. After about 1 minute, my answer will come up, and then you have another minute before I come in again and explain my answer. Did you come up with the correct answer? Again, I will read the question and the choices, then I will read my answer and then explain my answer. How many times can you get 0.2 from 20? The choices are A. 10, B. 100, C. 200, D. 40. Now to read my answer. 20 divided by 0.2, 20 times 10 divided by, move the point to the back of 2, divided by 2, divided by 0.2. Again, 20 divided by 0.2, 20 times 10 divided by 0.2, 200 divided by 2, 200 divided by 2, 2 into 2 one time, 2 into 100 into 0 0 time, and 2 into 0 0 time, 2 into 200 100 time. Answer B, 100. Now to explain my answer. 20, you're going to divide it. The question asks you, how many times can you get 0.2 from 20? So therefore, you are going to divide 20 divided by 0.2. So 20 divided by 0.2, move the point to the back of 2. To do that, you move the point to the right one time. You move the point to the right one time to get the point at the back of 0.2. Anything you do for one side of the division sign, you have to do the same thing for the other side. So therefore, you multiplied 0.2 by 10 to get the point to the back. So therefore, you multiply 20 by 10 also. Again, you multiplied 0.2 by 10 to get to, when you move the point one time, to take it to the back of 2. So you multiply 20 by 10 also. 20 times 10 is 200. 20 times 10 is 200. 200 divided by 2. 200 divided by 2. So divide 200 divided by 2. 2 into 2 one time, 2 into 0 0 time, 2 into 0 0 time again. So therefore, 2 into 200 is 100 times. 2 into 200 is 100. Answer B, 100. Answer B, 100. I will give you about another minute to review my answer and to make sure that you understand both the question and the answer.
Parents, if you don't know the GSAT or PEP lessons or need refresher help, purchase my quick read summaries. Well, the summaries are no longer being offered for sale. They are free by video on YouTube. And past papers and practice tests with answers and explanations. So these are past papers as well as practice tests. They are not all past papers. Some of them are practice tests. They are tests that were written for the exams to help your child to pass the exam. So they are practice tests, not past papers. They are practice tests. So again, parents, if you don't know the GSAT and PEP lessons or need refresher help, purchase my past papers and practice tests with answers and explanations. They are extremely helpful. Parents should help their children study for GSAT and PEP. If a survey should be done, it would find that almost all GSAT and PEP passers were helped by their parents. GSAT and PEP preparations should be started from early. Parents are apt to think that the teacher at school must let the child pass. But remember this, most children fail GSAT. Private tutoring and very small classes is the right way to go for most children. Most people wait until January to look for help outside of the regular school. This is after they get the first term's school report or the child have done the mock exam. Not a good idea. GSAT and PEP is less than 2 months away then. From my experience, many of these children needing help can't even subtract properly at that late stage. How can they pass GSAT in less than 2 months? Be prudent if you want to be one of those who celebrate when GSAT or PEP results come out. GSAT preparations should start from grade 3. Yes, that's right, from grade 3. These GSAT past papers and practice tests are helpful to parents of GSAT students, students in grades 3, 4, 5, and 6, high school students who failed GSAT or who are weak in one or more subjects, adults and children who failed GSAT and will be doing CXC exams. This is because CXC exams, if you don't know the basics, you won't be able to handle the more complex questions, right? So you have to learn the basics first before you can move on to more complex problems. Some people who keep failing CXC is because they don't know the basics. That is why they are unable to pass. So get the basics first. So start with, do the GSAT if you need the basics. Do the GSAT topics. So watch my videos and do the practice test, and then you move on to CXC. The CXC questions, which are more complex, the CXC studies. Then you move on to the CXC studies, which is more complex. Also, these past papers and tests and these past papers and practice tests are suitable for persons sitting the GNAT exams, that is the grade 9 achievement test. The grade 9 achievement test, GNAT, persons in grade 9. Also, it's suitable for persons sitting heart aptitude test. So if you are doing an art aptitude test to get a job through hearts and you are unsure that you'll be able to pass that test, you can watch all the GSAT videos that I have offered here and do the practice test and that will help you to pass the heart aptitude test and to get a job, and it will help you to get a job through heart. Also the tests are helpful to persons who didn't finish high school or did poorly in primary. No. Also the tests are helpful to persons who didn't finish primary school or did poorly in primary school. So parents, if you need refresher courses or if you need help with knowing what to teach, what to do, or if you don't know these lessons to help your child or to help your children, go ahead and watch these videos for yourself and do the practice test for yourself also, so that you will be able to help your child. And don't forget that these GSAT tests are also suitable for primary exit profile, PEP. Subscribe to my channel to get updates of new videos that are available on YouTube as soon as they become available. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It's free. Like and subscribe, and also you're invited to share my videos. So when you subscribe, when I upload a video, for instance, if the video you are watching is social studies part 2, when I upload social studies part 3, you will get a notification on your computer right away that I have uploaded social studies part 3, and you can go ahead and see the video. So go ahead, click that subscribe button right now. Thank you for watching. You should watch these GSAT videos over and over again until you know them from memory. Repetition is important. You can always message me if you have any questions or need further help using my email address, my Facebook page, or the telephone numbers that are shown on the screen. So bye bye for now. Bye bye.